How to track orders on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up the Temu app on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on your orders, and here you should be able to find all of your orders. If you're not able to find it here, then tap on self-service to find order. Once you tap on this option, here you're going to find four different options. The first one is to provide an order ID. The second one is to provide phone number. The third one is to provide email address. And the fourth one is to provide payment information. Now from here, you can pick any one. So let's say email address. All you have to do now is enter your email address here and tap on the orange button that says find order, and you should be able to find your order in this way. And that's how you can track your orders on Temu. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.